this morning. I forgot that I talked. No, what am I gonna do? I'm not a normal dog anymore. Wait. I'm not a normal dog anymore. I'm a very special dog. Ha 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 ha. Huh? Sorry guys, I heard someone laughing, like an evil laugh. I forgot that I talked. Oh, it was probably you, Dexter. Probably was. Hey, you know what I just realized, Buster? What? We're not normal dogs. We can talk. Other dogs don't talk. We're special. Delicious. Hey guys. Hey guys. Oh, hey Daisy. Don't sneak up on us like that. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's okay. Hey, do you hear that noise? What noise? Exactly. The stapler has left us away. Woohoo! I really hope they never bother us ever again. Wait, what's that? Crazy Num Num on the loose. Well, at least our going is okay. Seriously? Have you seen a green Num that's moving and buzzing and he has a bite on him? He went that way. Oh, thanks. Ugh. Don't do that ever again. Ugh. You know how Flapjacky gets whenever you run away again. I know. Then why do you keep doing it? I don't know. Come on, let's go back. At least we're safe there. Safe from what? Haven't you heard about the stapler? He always wants to staple people for some reason. Why does he want to do that? I just said he wants to staple people for no reason. Do you think we can come with you? Sure, follow me. Stop it. This is our group. Since it's morning still, we're doing community circle. What's that? Well, it's where Flapjacky tells us what our thermometer is. If we're a 1, that means we're okay. A 2 is slightly uncomfortable. A 3 is like really sad. A 4 is crying. You feel better about something. And yeah. And a 5 is that you're really hurt and you have to go to an emergency room. Ooh, can we do it? Sure, let me just ask Flapjacky. Hey, Flapjacky. Yeah? We have some new friends. They're hiding from the stapler too. Are you sure they're not joining the stapler? I'm sure. They're right here. It's Dexter, Buster, and Daisy. Hi, I'm Daisy. Okay, you can join us. Just squeeze in. We don't have a lot of space. Made it. Okay, everyone. How is everyone today on their emotional thermometer? I think I'm a 1. Or probably a 2. My curls are feeling a bit soggy. I'm a 1. Really good. Me too. I'm a 1 too. Probably a 3, because someone kept making me do all that work just because I ran away. It's for your own good. Oh, I'm a 2. I don't know. 1 maybe. My cheese is feeling a bit too melty. Well, I'm a 1. What about you, Dexter, Buster, and Daisy? Well, I'm a 1. Well, I'm kind of a 2 because I'm the youngest and I'm really scared. I'm a 2. 1. Okay, well, welcome to our group. You're safe now. Uh-oh. The stapler's back. Everyone run! Ha! Ha!